Hi, are you a CFO, HR lead, tax consultant, a process owner, or one who works with lots of files or documents? Welcome to withDIA. You can create a record room and upload all your files, share them, and interact about them with your team or organization in just a click. withDIA, your new smart assistant, you can create any number of record rooms according to the team you want to collaborate with. So now you can organize the documents in one place, make notes, and update the files in the record room as you work with them. So, what's different? While you research or collaborate with your team in the notepad, our intelligent platform will prompt you with reference files or documents from the record room contextually. Wow, isn't that awesome? You didn't have to search for the file or be reminded. You can save your notepads to come back later. You can join an ongoing interaction and still be updated. You can tag your content or a person, or can even private chat with an expert to speed up. Now real-time decision-making just got simpler. You can do this and more with withDIA. And not to forget, the platform is secure and can work within your organization's private cloud. withDIA, compile, curate, collaborate in context.